Hello folks, in this video we're going to take a look at the sharpening tool, and here we have the DMT Duo-fold. Okay, this is a very interesting sharpening tool. It's actually industrial diamond on handle. The way it goes, you just place your blade on the diamond stone here. The red side is a coarser grit, and the green side is a fine grit. And when you're not using it, you just fold it up and it goes back into your pocket. The Duo-fold, it's a very interesting product. I use this to sharpen my pocket knives as well as kitchen knife freehand, and it really does a good job removing material from your blunt blade. So what you need to do is that when you work on your blade, you just need to sharpen it on one side and work around it, and to touch it up the finer grit, just apply a bit pressure on the surface of the sharpener, and you get an edge. Again, freehand sharpening is not something that one would get acquainted to on the first go. It's hard to get it right the first time, and since it requires a lot of patience and risk control, I rather use a everyday carry knife than a collector's knife to sharpen on this tool. Again, when you have a dull knife, the red side, which is the coarse side of the sharpener, would remove a lot of material, and once you want to touch it up, use the green side. And the Duo-fold actually has a combination tool called the DMT aligner. I'll get to that later because it needs to be set up and all that, and it's quite an interesting tool for sharpening. As far as price is concerned for the Duo-fold, I've seen it retailing for somewhere around 180 to 200 ringgit. In the US, I think it will go around 35 to 40 US dollars a piece. And for its ease of use and the quality of the product, I would say this is something that is indispensable. DMT alone is a company that originated from the US. They make a lot of diamond bench stones, and this folding sharpener is something that I find really practical to carry around. And it's of course called the Duo-fold because of this dual-sided grit, and the coarse and the fine thing actually work pretty well. And I had really not much issues carrying, because I've been having this for quite some time, and so far so good. Despite having all the steel stuck on the diamond coated surface, it still gives the really good finishing work on my knife. So yeah, there you have it, the DMT Duo-fold. Thanks for watching.